Hi, welcome to How to Repair. I care very deeply about making sure that our customers get the correct component for their appliance. And on some occasions there are variations, meaning that there is two different items that may fit their appliance. Now, as any car mechanic, electrician, fitter of any type will tell you, whenever you're trying to find a part that has variations for whatever they're working on, it is an absolute nightmare to understand which is the correct component. I've recently been making videos on the model of machine above, and guess what? I broke the pump. It happens. But when I come to replace it, I found there was two variations of the pump for this machine. And I thought, well, what's the difference? And I couldn't see a difference in the images. So I thought this must be highly confusing for customers. And this is what brought me about making this video for you. I'm not only going to show you the differences between the two genuine part numbers that are on the screen, I'm going to show you how to strip down the pump, how to test the pump, and any other modifications that have been made between the two variations. The difference between the two part numbers, although the pumps at the top look the same, is the drain-off hose that goes through to the front of the machine for draining the machine down is blocked on one and not blocked on the other. The difference on the other pictures, and they're only just a couple of samples, is they are made by a different pump manufacturer, meaning that they have an alternative part number. Now you know the difference between the two part numbers for your model of machine. I will actually put the pump hose sizes on the screen here so you can make sure that they fit. Also, if you have a pump that's jammed with coins, you might not be able to remove the filter. So in the next bit, we'll have a look how the pump comes apart. The wattage of the motor may vary from pump manufacturer to pump manufacturer, but it will only be slight and it will make no difference. Here are the measurements for the electrical terminals. On both genuine part numbers, it is a twist fit between the housing and the motor. Some of the alternative part numbers may have a screw fit. This will be slightly different. On the twist fit type, there is a pin that needs to be pressed to release the actual mechanism. This will allow you to twist it and take the pump off. At this point, you'd be able to actually separate the two halves, and you'd be able to clean out any coins that were stopping the filter unscrewing. Once you've removed the filter, you will then be able to reinsert it and assemble the whole pump. Make sure when you actually setting up the pump, line it up in the original position, and it is sometimes quite hard to twist. You need to push the two halves together and then twist it. Make sure that the locking pin is actually gone back into the correct position so that the pump will not unlock. You will be able to test the field windings on the motor using Ohm's law, but it will depend on the wattage of the motor. Okay, I have a test rig here which is basically just a 240 supply. It's off at the moment and the clips are fully insulated. This should only be done by someone who is qualified with electrics, but I'm just showing that you can just bench test the motor. It's a 240 or 220 to 240 volt motor, and if I place that there and turn the power on, you can see that the blade is turning perfectly. And we know that pump is in good working condition. All you need to do is jump over to our website. The address is above and I'll also put it in the description below. Enter your model number into the actual search box with the part that you're looking for, and make sure you put the brand in as well. And a full list of parts will come up for your appliance. If you need further help, just feel free to use the Contact Us form. Make sure you fill out all the details correctly, including your full model number and the description of the fault, and I'll either give you a call or I'll reply by email. Thanks very much indeed for watching this video. Please remember to subscribe to the channel. Thanks again for watching.